Hey everybody, how's it going? Last year I testified on behalf of Massachusetts Bill H-218 and Bill S-107, an act relative to the digital right to repair, aka the right to repair bill. Now, it seemed like my arguments were well received. I went through all of the lobbyists' opposition arguments, I went through why I think they were crap. The last excuse that I heard was, this has been denied in every state, why Boston? Why Massachusetts? Wouldn't that have been a great attitude to have 250 years ago? That's it.
Thank you for your testimony.
I think I made a mark there. The problem is that this bill needs to move from committee by February 5th, or it dies. All the work that we did, all the co-sponsors that you can see over here that decided to co-sponsor the bill, all of this will be for naught if it doesn't move from committee. And the help that you can give is contacting your House representative in Massachusetts and letting them know how important this bill is to you. There is a form down below, massachusetts.repair.org. It's set up to where if you put in your street, city, postal code, that it will figure out who your House rep is and help you in the process of contacting them. This is important that people who live in Massachusetts do this, more so than people who live outside Massachusetts. These representatives are voted in and paid to represent the citizens of Massachusetts. So while it's great for them to see that the bill has support from people in Nebraska, New York, and California, New Zealand, and Australia, that's not really who they're paid to represent. They're paid by their constituents to represent their constituents. So that's who they really want to hear from. So if you can find out who your House representative is in Massachusetts, contact them and tell them how this will positively affect small businesses. Tell them how this will positively affect you as a consumer. Tell them how this will positively affect the environment and why you think this should be helped moving out of committee. That would be great, because as you can see here, there's a lot of people signed on as co-sponsors to this bill. There is a lot of support for this bill, but unfortunately all of the support will be for naught if we do not get this bill passed out of the House by February 5th. So if you do live in Massachusetts, please do consider taking a few minutes out of your day to call your House representative, schedule an appointment to visit your House representative, or write your House representative and let them know why this is important so that it doesn't get killed. That's it for today, and as always, I hope you learned something.